Guys, today I'm going to play Subway Surf. So let's go and check it out. This is our Subway Surf. Pretty cool picture. I am pretty good at this game, but not sure. Like, you guys comment in my video if I am good at it. Let's go. Whee! Wow, wow! Next is the word, eh? Let's see about that, if we could fill that in. Oh man. Come on. That was only 89 coins and score was 2,514. Let's go again. I'll try to beat this record. Alright. It kind of sounds like a Arabic music. Yes! So close. Do you like this hoverboard? Woo! Woo! Ska. This is my favorite, bro. X. Got you. Just waiting for T. Got you, mate. World Hunt something. Oh, darn it. I'm just gonna use it. It's alright. I got another one. Pretty hard. This is very hard, guys. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna play anymore. Hey, cook দুনোটা দুনোটাই খাই শেষ করছস? Hey, cook দুনোটা দুনোটাই খাই শেষ করছস? Check it out. I got this, and this is my new high score. Okay, today I am done for the day. If you like the video, please comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.